Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, continues to move up. There is not really any change to the previous video, no change to the wave count. Bit boring, but it continues to follow it. It gets a bit messy up here, but then again, this entire move up is quite messy, to be honest. We see a lot of up and down, but overall it is trending to the upside. And I've got on this chart here, there's at least one of the possible counts here, which is valid as long as we're holding 1886. We moved up in a wave one of the November lows. That was a long-term buy area. We had 2 months time to accumulate here. Reacted to it, moved up in a wave one, came down in a shallow wave two, and I think we still are in this wave three. There should be a 4 and a 5. If we talk about target for the third wave, we look at here, so the 1.618 extension, ideally 2138 for that third wave. Now, not sure if we get there. It would be quite a strong move, to be honest, to just go there without any strong retracement. So we need to have a bit of an open mind, but that would certainly be the textbook target for a third wave. Bear in mind the $2,000 level will certainly be a critical resistance here. It's basically also this previous high from April 22. You can see how much we already rallied since the lows here around 1600. So yeah, really impressive rally. Started end of the year and continues to today. Getting a bit messy, which means the bulls are running out of steam a bit. You can see higher highs on the price. You can see that we get bearish signals already. I mean, we have a cross of the zero line to the downside on the 4-hour MACD. We see bearish divergences on the MACD and the relative strength index. We've also fallen below 50 now for the first time since end of December. Yeah, quite a low reading on the 4-hour chart compared to what we had throughout January. So it gives us sort of, let's say, weak signals. On the daily, we also now have a bearish cross and a bearish cross on the daily RSI. So that means we need to be on the lookout for potentially a turning point here. Yeah, irrespective of the count. I mean, the count, as I said, is only valid as long as we're holding 1886. Why is that the case? That is the case because we don't want the fourth wave to get into the wave one price region. It will do so if we break below 1886, and this is this high at 1886. Okay. There is already a level before that, below which we should not drop, and that is the 50% Fibonacci retracement. So if we take the length of that third wave, we already have a warning sign that it might be breaking down if we come below 1910, because the 1910 level is the 50% retracement of the third wave, and a drop below that would be too strong for a wave 4. Yeah, it would not be a reliable wave 4 anymore. So if we drop below 1910, then I think we also will test 1886. I mean, there is some more micro support basically at 1900 here, which is the golden ratio and also the previous swing low here. But then we probably come down here to 1886. And if we lose that, then this count is getting invalidated, and it could be a strong signal that this whole rally might be over. And then we need to look at what the count could be then. In fact, we would then only have really a 3-wave structure to the upside, but I will need to put some work in there. I will work on an alternative in the next few days. What could happen if the 1886 level breaks? So maybe I will have that ready for Monday when the markets are open again. At the moment that they are obviously closed on the weekend. So yeah, that's going to be interesting. And then I think the next, if the push to the upside continues, I think we are now looking at a next target of $2,000. Yeah, the way it's currently looking like is that the market wants to test that level, and that is when the moment of truth comes. So not really much to update, but these are the relevant levels to watch out for. I will keep you updated about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.